Hey everyone, Student Tech Talk here. How you guys doing? Today's video I'll be on a tutorial on customizing a dock called Arcade Launcher. For those of you, you guys who doesn't know what that dock is or doesn't know anything about it, it's just basically this dock right here. And more info, just check out my previous video that I made. I taught you guys how to download it, and yeah, so just check that out. Go to my channel and check that video out. So today we'll be on the customizations of the Arcade Launcher. I'm just going to hide my dock so it'll be easier to work with. I don't know why, but I just love to hide my dock. So, the first thing I wanted to show you guys is very basic and simple, but it's also very important because it will be on how to add and delete icons from your dock. Very important because you don't want it stuck with a program that it came with. So let's just say I want to go ahead and drag Mozilla Thunderbird because I really used it very often. So just just want to drag it in there. All you have to do is drag the icon and just bring it to the dock. Very, very easy. And from here, you can just rearrange it where you want to put it. And removing it is just as simple. All you have to do is just click on the icon. Click on the icon, don't let go, and just find any empty space on your desktop and just drop it there and it will be gone. The next thing I want to cover, let's just drag back Thunderbird here. The next thing I want to cover is changing your icons. Also very important because you want your dock to look like a Mac. And with the Thunderbird icon, it's doesn't make your Windows look like a Mac at all. You want to have the mail icon, and the mail icon come with the dock when you download it. So to change it, all you have to do is right click the icon, go to dock properties, and in here don't touch anything on the top, but just goes to customize icon here, click it, and then click change icon. And in here you will see some of the icons that it came with. Just scroll around until you see the mail icon, which is this one right here. All you have to do is just press OK, or even better, you guys can go download some icons on the internet and just browse it to get to change your icon. But I'm just going to use this icon right here. Just press OK, and you see right away the icon is changed. And just close it, and there you go. See, it opens up Thunderbird. The next thing is stacks, which are these things right here. To add a stack is just very, very simple. All you have to do is, you see this separator right here, or like this empty space here, right click that and then click add docklet. Once you're here, for type it says YZ docklet, or YZ docklet. Just click on the one below that, which is object docklet, and here you will see like a few icons here. Click on any name that starts with stack docklet. So not the CPU monitor, not the VU meter, but anything that says stack dock. Well, it's supposed to be stack docklet, but you just can't show it. Well, just click on any of them, click it, and just press add to dock, and you see right here there's another stack. Just close that, and right now it doesn't load us as anything, but you can just right click it, and in here folder, click on the three dots here to show what you want it to be. So for example, you wanted to show your, let's just say my music, let's just say. All you have to do is just press three dots and then go to whatever file you want to go to. I'm just gonna click my music, so press OK after. And for icons, once again press the three dots right here and look for any icons you want, or of course you can put down some icons on your own and use them. I don't think there's any music icon here. There's Songbird. I think that's basically it. Well, I guess I'll just use Songbird. And yes, use Songbird and just press OK. And in here you can change your mode here. And what that means is basically you have fan and grid. That's the layout you want it to be. So automatic, it will choose it for you. For fan, it will look something like this. Just press OK afterward, guys. It will look something like this. Fan will just look something like this. Grid will look something like that. So to change it, just right click on the stacks, and in mode, just change it to whatever you want. Automatic, fan, or grid. So yeah, that's how you add a stack. Also, adding separator is the other thing I want to cover. So separator is just basically these line here, dotted line here. And to add it, very simple, just click on any empty space or separator and click on add separator. And you see right here there's two, and all you have to do is just drag the icons between those two separators. So pretend you want to organize it so browsers will be in one separator, and other stuff will be in another separator. Just to remove it is very simple. Click on the separator, right click on the separator, and just click remove separator. Also, of course, you can just go to the settings for the dock and just change stuff here. Dock size, you can just mess around with it. The smallest is this small, and large is going to be like this large, but I prefer like this. This is cool. Like, yeah, this. And magnification is, how big you want your icon to magnify. That doesn't really make sense, I know, but yeah. Also, you can just uncheck it so it doesn't magnify at all. Some people like that. So yeah. Theme, I covered a little bit on my previous video. You can get some themes. There are 3 default themes. I think you can download more on the internet. And here is the transparency, full transparency. You just basically can't see the dock at all. And yeah, I like to keep it somewhere here. Somewhere here, it's cool. Let me just make the dock smaller, like this. Okay. Position is where you want your dock to be. You can be on the bottom right, bottom left. Bottom is where I like to put it, and right, you can put it on the right too. Even on the top, so you can move your taskbar on the bottom. That also works. But I like it to be on the top, so it looks like a Mac more. So let me just move back to the bottom. Behavior is, you can get access to behavior by clicking here. By clicking right click on the separator. Label is how you want your font to look like when you go over your icons. So you see right here it says Mozilla Thunderbird. You can change your font here. Yeah, and you can change the color and stuff like that. I just went ahead and changed the font. I didn't mess around with the color. And size. Exclusions, I didn't do anything about that. Menu, I didn't do anything about that. Performance, I didn't do anything about that. But I guess you guys can change the quality from normal to high or high to normal. I believe with high quality you are going to get a little bit more lag because it's trying to push out the best quality for you. So yeah, I think that's pretty much it to the video, guys. If you guys do have any more questions, don't be afraid to comment below. I'll try to answer those questions as best as I can. And don't forget to like this video if you find this tutorial very helpful, and subscribe to my channel if you like my content. I guess that's pretty much it to the video, guys. Once again, hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial, and thank you for watching.